let us have a review of previous day's market. After a slight gap up opening, Indian benchmark indices, Nifty as well as Sensex entered yesterday's volatile session flattish, ahead of first monetary policy of 2013. Nifty ended at 6,074 levels, while Sensex ended at 20,093 levels. Market breadth, which indicate the overall health of the market, was positive. In NSE, advanced decline ratio was at 1.14. 695 shares advanced, 611 shares declined, while 66 remained unchanged. Nifty put call ratio was at 1.05. In yesterday's session, FIs bought stocks worth 783 crore, while domestic investors sold stocks worth 864 crore. Major index gainers were DLF, Axis Bank and Tata Motors, and the losers include Reliance Infra, JP Associate and ONGC. Yesterday, private sector lender Yes Bank jumped more than 3% as the research firm Nomura upgraded the stock to a buy with a raised target price of 615. Axis Bank moved higher by almost 2% on buzz that the private sector bank may launch its qualified institutional placement during the current week. The board of directors has already approved proposed issue. On the sectorial front, most of the sectors entered positive. Auto, FMCG and realty. Moreover, Bank Nifty also entered in gain, while energy sector entered slightly weak. Yesterday's session was mainly influenced by volatility ahead of Apex Bank monetary policy, earning sessions and profit booking in selected stocks. Moreover, sideways movement in currency market and macroeconomic report presented by RBI also influenced yesterday's session. In its macroeconomic report for third quarter, Central Bank revised India's GDP forecast to 5.5 in 2012-2013 as against 5.7 estimated earlier. Right now, policy makers are currently fighting with the threat of twin deficit. The current account deficit (CAD) to GDP ratio touched a historical high level of 5.4% during July-September quarter. As a result of total import volume exceeded total export volumes. Today, RBI monetary policy is there. The central bank has last reduced policy rates in April 2012. As the inflation rate stayed above the comfort zone of 5%, the subsequent 5 policy reviews saw RBI maintaining a hawkish stand. High inflation prevented the Apex Bank to aggressively ease rates. But based on wholesale price index, a 25 bps cut is expected by some of the market participants, and the market has already factored that chance. Coming to yesterday's results review. Reliance Infrastructure reported sharp growth in its net profit due to exponential gain, while in actual numbers were lower than expectation. Among the mid-cap PSU bank, public sector lender Bank of India third quarter net profit rose to a forecast beating 12% year-on-year at Rs 803 crore, driven by growth in net interest income. Coming to international markets, yesterday US indices ended slightly weak. Dow Jones indices entered negative. In the morning, most of the Asian markets are trading weak, so we can expect a gap down opening. Coming to Nifty Spot Technical. Nifty Spot yesterday moved in a very narrow range, but managed to close above the critical support of 6070. Nifty closed at 6074 levels yesterday. Only a 2-day close above the resistance level can give the confirmation that short-term correction is over. Indicators like slow stochastics and RSI have given a positive crossover. Intraday resistance is placed at 6110 and support is seen at 6050 and 6014. In coming days, our market will take direction from strength of foreign investment, guidance from international market, ongoing earnings session, coming union budget, F&O expiry scheduled on Thursday, and movement in domestic currency. Major companies which are announcing results today are Dabur, Sterlite, Pidilite Industries and Idea. You can get the earnings estimates of these companies from our Market Mantra daily report. Before concluding the session, I just want to remind one thing. Today there is a one major event, RBI monetary policy. So till RBI monetary policy, market will be very volatile, and after that it will take direction from the outcome of the policy. That's all from my side. We wish all of you a successful trading. Thank you.